Alright, here we go, third take. Real quick, Ali. Got me breathing with dragons. I'll crack the egg in your basket, you bastard. I'm Marilyn Manson with madness. Now just imagine the magic I like to ask is don't ask for your favorite rapper.
He dead.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Church.
He dead.
I killed him.
Amen.
Bitch. And this is rigor mortis, and it's gorgeous when you die. I recorded, and I'm Morpheus, the matrix in my mind. I'm out the orbit, you an orphan and a hairdresser combined. I'm on the toilet when I rhyme. If you the shit, then I decline. I climax where you begin, and then I end on cloud nine. And that's important when you morph into an angel in the sky. And don't be forging all my signatures. My listeners reply and tell me that you biting style. You got a hell of an appetite, and I'm
Hello, hi, it's me, Gigimurakami, and I'm back again with another video. How's it going? It's been a little while since I filmed a video. I feel like the uploads might be a little back to back, but it's been a little while. So, hope you're doing well, hope you're doing good. This vlog's gonna be a little weird, because as you can see, I'm not at home. I'm actually in Japan. And I'm gonna be here for a little bit. Yeah, I have my own apartment here in Japan, and it's, I've been here for a little while now. I've been here for about a week, I think. If not a week, then like the first 5 days. So I'm still new here, but I'm gonna be here for about a month. So yeah, how did we get here, right? How did we get here? Your girl doesn't vlog for a while, and then all of a sudden I'm vlogging again, and I'm in Japan. So I will get into some of that, but first I have some work stuff that I need to do, and I may go to a cafe. I have some manga stuff that I need to do. I'm out here for work. It's work stuff happening. But I have some manga stuff that I need to work on, and I need to update the name. So the storyboard, the layout, I have to update that, and I think I may go to a cafe for that. I've literally been in my apartment for the past 2 days working on this. I have not gone outside, and it is Sunday the 16th. So I think I might go outside for a little bit. I might go to a cafe. I don't know if I will vlog. I might vlog. We'll see what happens. I might vlog. But anywho, come on, let's get into it. Okay, so before I head out to the cafe, I did want to finish up some pages that I have. So in an earlier vlog, I mentioned that I am working with the anime studio Enlight. Part of the reason why I'm out here in Japan is because I am gonna be going to a work meeting with Enlight. Heading to this work meeting, and I am hopefully gonna be able to prepare some stuff for the meeting, some manga related things. I can't really say too much of what I'm gonna be doing with Enlight other than what has been publicly announced, but you know, we have a few meetings out here in Japan, and initially I wasn't gonna be going to those meetings. Actually, I am originally out here because I wanted to live out here for a little bit. As you guys know, my husband is Japanese, and we are just considering some married people stuff, and like, what do we do in the future? Where do we go in the future? Where should our little family unit be at? And since I'm not super thrilled with where America is right now, I thought it would be a good idea for me to come out here and see how I feel about living out here, especially on my own. So it is just me here. Shinji is back in Brooklyn with Yuki. And yeah, the whole idea was for me to come out here, live by myself for a bit, try to improve my Japanese a little bit, and to see how I feel, you know? America's not great, to be honest. It's not like the worst place in the world, but there is like some issues going on right now, and they're not favorable for having kiddos, you know? Having a little family. It's not great. But unfortunately, the money-making situation out there is much better than what's happening in Japan, specifically for our dear Shinji. Just trying to figure out options, as married people do. Just trying to figure out, what are we doing? Where are we going? What's happening with the world? As you do. that is why I'm here. And I'm actually working on some manga that I need to get ready for this work stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm doing out here. And it's been cool. I have been very nervous being out here though. I'm not even gonna hold you. Japan is feeling a little shaky over here too with its immigration situation and its politics. So it's like, what do you do when you are an interracial couple and an international couple and both of your countries is like acting up? Where do you go? We might go to Spain. That's what we might do. But Spain is also acting a little crazy, mostly for tourists. But, you know, I don't know. Maybe Spain, maybe Mexico. Who knows? I heard Mexico is doing quite well right now. So where does one go? That is what is happening over here. So what have I been doing since I've been out here? I went to a art exhibit for the mangaka Shinichi Sakamoto, and I've been keeping this pretty close to the chest. On Instagram, Shinichi Sakamoto and I have kind of become like DM friends, just like chatting here and there. And I told him I was gonna be in Japan, and he invited me to go see his exhibition, and I was like, bet, I will go do that. So my friend Mark and I went out to go see his exhibition, and y'all, it was so good. It was really, really, really good. So in case you don't know who Shinichi Sakamoto Sensei is, he is the mangaka for The Climber, also for Innocence. He also did, I'm blanking, oh, it's the new one. It's like the Dracula, I forget the name of it because it's a hashtag. But it's like DRCL, I think. But it's like, it's supposed to be like Dracula. But he's also done that manga. He's done a handful of shonen stuff too, I believe. I think that was like his main niche before he kind of drifted off into a little more like horror and like drama. So, not so much horror, but like kind of horror-ish. The Climber is an interesting manga. I haven't like fully read through it, but like it's an interesting manga. But a lot of his stuff can get like a little grotesque, macabre. Grotesque and macabre is like a good way to explain it. But his work is really, really, really detailed and really, really good. And he actually had an episode of Manben. He was on Manben, and he went over his process. And I remember watching that episode, and I was like, my God, this feels like so much. It feels like a lot. He has like, well, he works digitally. He used to work analog, and his analog work is also up at the exhibition, which ends today, by the way. I don't know if you want to go or anything, but it'll probably be over by the time you see this. He used to work analog, and the analog, some of his analog work is there for the show, but it was really good. So it's not just like he's good because he is working digitally. Like his analog work is fucking phenomenal. But his Manben episode, he had like wigs for his characters. He had all these assets out that were created for all of his characters. And I was like, man, you got wigs for the characters? That sounds crazy. That's insane. But as I have started working digitally, I get it. I get it. Wigs sounds insane, but wigs sound insane, but they, in a pinch, when you need them, it's pretty useful. It's pretty smart. It's a hell of a time saver, to be honest. So wigs seems like a lot, but there are like other ways that you can create assets for your characters in Clip Studio Paint. But yeah, his episode was fantastic. I went to go see that. Mark and I had a blast. I'm not gonna hold you. I haven't done so much. I have a bunch of friends that I need to meet up with. I haven't done too much because I really, really need to get my work done for this meeting. That is like my main task right now. So truth be told, that's really all that I've been doing. I'm even working on it right now, which is why I keep looking down. I am hoping to vlog some content while I'm here, and not just like work stuff, a little bit of fun stuff too, although I feel like you guys do prefer more of my like fun activity stuff, but I mean more of my work stuff, sorry. I feel like you guys prefer to see me at work more, but I will vlog as much as I can. I will say though, it is like a little awkward walking around with my phone in the air. I'm not on my phone. I have my Osmo, my DJI Osmo Pocket Osmo. So it's a small camera. It's like this big. It's a really it's a Japan-friendly camera. It's super small. It's not like very in your face and high production quality, but I don't think it's happening so much anymore. But you know, over the past few years with like the Mangaka streamer culture, like the annoying streamers and like YouTubers and stuff that would be going around harassing people, it feels like that is still around, like that caution of like people filming and like having their phones out and stuff is still like around. So even though I'm filming and I'm not streaming, I still kind of feel awkward. Like I was on a phone call with Shinji the other day, a video call, and he was like in nostalgia land. He was like, oh, show me the main street, or show me the car, show me where you're at, or take me on a walk. And I was like, oh my God, this is why we should just live here. This is why we should just stay here. But as I was like holding my phone up, walking around, showing him the surroundings, I like was getting looked at, and I was like, oh man, like, I don't know, this feels a little awkward, y'all. Like, please. I come in peace, please. Regardless of that though, mind you, I was also by myself. Like if I have my friends with me, it probably won't be as like awkward. So I'm hoping that my friends will save the day for that. But you know, let's go see a few friends, try to vlog a bit, and show you what's up. I imagine I'll have multiple videos, not just like the one. But yeah, that is what my quick update is for right now. I'm gonna finish up, oh my God, the last of these pages. I gotta give stuff. You guys, I forgot to tell you, I have an assistant now. Who is she? An assistant? Who, me? I have an assistant now. His name is Sora, like, you know, like Sky, like Sora from Kingdom Hearts. His name is Sora, and he's super cool. And yeah, we are working on these pages together, and he's cool. He's a cool dude. He's also an inspiring mangaka. It's been a cool time. But anywho, I gotta finish up these current pages so I can send them to Sora so that he can do the backgrounds and everything. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I will see you in a bit.
貴重なカラー原稿を書くところも撮影できました。まずパレットに出してある乾いた水彩絵の具に水をかけます。扇風機で涼む三姉妹の次女ひなちゃんとスイカを食べる末っ子のももちゃん。
Telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No.